Osmosis. Right now. Dialysis tubing is a membrane that is selected based on the size of solutes and can be used as a model for cellular membrane. Okay. Let's see. So we have our stuff here. Got our 2 cups. Cornstarch, iodine. Well, we're going to measure the dialysis tubing. Pipette. You can find 15 ounce water. Let's measure this. It's 20 centimeters of dialysis tubing. I just need one. So we're going to... Yay. Coffee never used to make me shake, but it does. Does it make you shake? Or it makes me like my fine motor skills? You don't feel like that? No, I do. It's really that's what's doing. Maybe because I don't eat enough. Okay. I don't know how much cornstarch we need.
It's, I thought I saw.
Probably on the other side, huh? Place this tubing in a beaker and cover it with water.
Oh, I was looking at the 20.
Allow it to soak for 5 minutes. I drink about 20 of those.
Huh?
Yeah.
Yeah, I drink about 20.
Yeah. I don't know. It's so weird.
Okay, it's funny to see that.
Snakes? Yeah, I see snakes. Okay, we're gonna cover it with water. This one's 15 water. It says, huh? So we're gonna start a timer for 5 minutes. Yeah.
No, I've been on my way.
Timer. 5 minutes. With the water. Remove the tubing from the water. Rub one of the ends between your thumb and your pointer finger to open. Huh. To understand one way to approach the process of science, diffusion and osmosis. All cells are separated from their external environment by a lipid membrane. Diffusion and osmosis only operate efficiently over short distances, so a cell is limited in the size it contains. A. Size of solutes? So does that mean like pores? Okay, so we let this soak for 5 minutes. Now we remove it from the water. We're gonna take one of these ends here. Whoop. And it says rub between thumb and pointer finger to open. Once open, submerge in water again for about 30 seconds. Oh, so do you think I need more water?
But not because I'm only 20 mLs.
Tie one end of tubing. Oh, I'm just filling the bags up. These bags.
Oh.
So I need 2 of them? 2 dialysis tubes? No, I get it now. Okay. I don't know why I'm so confused.
Okay.
Oh, yeah. Keep those just in case. It says open it.
Hold on, pause.
It said to open it and submerge back in water. For 30 seconds. I'm getting so confused. That's what it says. It says to open it, but it says rub one of the ends. Okay, so I think I'm doing this right.
Yeah, and then just dunk it in there. There you
Right.
go.
30 seconds, and then I tie one end of the tubing in an overhand knot. So I'm guessing it's this. This is tie it in a knot. Well, I don't know why. This is like 5th grade, and I can't even do it. Okay. Got it.
Okay.
Okay, so we'll just leave it there. Now I have my 2 beakers with water to the fill line. Now, place 20 drops of iodine into each beaker. Okay. 1, 2. Whoa!
Is that like 6 or 7?
7, 8, 9, 10. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8, 9. Woo!
It's okay.
2, 3, 6, 7, 8, 9, 10, 12, 13, 14, 15, 16. How much was that?
16.
Okay. 17, 18, 19, 20. Fill one of my dialysis bags with only water. Tie the other end of your dialysis tubing. Fill the other dialysis tubing with water using the pipette. Am I using like 5 of the dialysis? Because it said, I'm confused. Let's try this one, which it says we just need water. That's all the water I got. But it says using a pipette though.
Yeah.
Well, here goes nothing. Oh, that's not bad. Well,
Oh, there you go.
Those things look bigger.
Yeah. Okay, back on.
So this one is, we just submerged our other dialysis tubing, and this is the one with just the water. Okay, now we have our other dialysis tubing filled with water. I'm gonna put 1 tablespoon of cornstarch. You can press pause if you want. Hold that for a sec. I'm gonna open this cornstarch. 1 tablespoon. So you know what this is supposed to be, I think? Lipids. So do you ever remember seeing TPN?
Yes.
And
It's like white.
So they start them with like electrolytes, that's the clear stuff. And I think after that they get lipids, or they add lipids to it, and that gives it the milky color.
Oh, wow.
I'm running out of space. Can't get to reach the bottom there. Not mixing at the bottom. Okay.
My thing, I'm just getting scared.
I know, that's what I
open.
thought about. I was like, it's gonna bust open.
This is fun.
Okay. I think I had too much water. One tablespoon. Okay.
At least those are pretty easy to tie, kind of.
Oh yeah. Let me go do this over the sink. I don't want to drop it and you get up your cat. Ready?
Mm-hmm.
Oh, get in there. Now it says to wait 30 minutes.
Cool.
So I should add more water. No, that's good. What do you think?
I think that looks good.
More water.
Maybe a little bit on this one. Que gatos son.
Alright. For 30 minutes. Start. Wow. So this one, of course, was the water. Clear. Water is still the same color. This is like black, yeah?
Yeah.
Oh, wow. That looks crazy, huh?
Mm-hmm.
Look at it. So I think it said something like starch and iodine react when in solution, and turn the solution blue or black, which is, it's like blue-black.
Mm-hmm.
Wow. Presence of glucose.
wow, large starch molecules are too large to pass through the semi-permeable membrane. Glucose and iodine are small enough. Isn't that crazy? So this is like the membrane then,
That's
huh?
crazy.
Right?
Yeah.
So the iodine literally passed through it. Isn't that weird? Wow.